Hi and welcome back to Purple Collar Life. In today's video, I just stepped in from the rain to do a quick review, a quick overview of the Pelican 14. Now this is a new cooler, just bought it. It hasn't been used yet, but I wanted to talk to you about my first impressions, a couple things I really like about it. So just a quick overview here, some of the things I like about this Pelican 14. First of all, the size of it. We have a YETI 24 that we have attempted to take on the pontoon boat with us. The YETI 24 on the pontoon boat keeps stuff really cold in the hot weather. That is awesome about it. The bad thing about it is it's big, it's bulky, and it's heavy, and it doesn't fit into the little cubby that's underneath the console, the driver's console on the boat. This would definitely fit in that console. It's not nearly as heavy, but it does still just have a handle on it. So I wish that a cooler like this had a shoulder strap for times that you've got this really loaded down with ice and waters. It would just be easier to carry sometimes with a strap than trying to carry it with a handle once it's all loaded down. I do like that this handle locks into the upright position. That's nice. You can just twist it up and back. But once it's in the upright position, it locks there. I also really like this dry storage area on the top. That's nice. It's not waterproof. There's not a gasket in here that's like a dry storage on a jet ski, but it is dry storage in that it keeps whatever you have up here out of the area where you've got the ice. So to open this up, you're just pushing these buttons, flipping it up. I like this net. So you can put something underneath this rubber net that you don't want to get down into the food area. That could be utensils or whatever else you want to take with you. You do have this nice rubber gasket the whole way along the lid. It closes nice, seals. You can see it doesn't close the whole way, which lets you know that when you add the pressure of the locks, that's what's making the nice seal. I really like this mesh basket that comes out. This is where you can put your sandwiches or bananas or anything that you don't want to be down in the ice area of the cooler. You can see it's a pretty deep cooler, so it's nice to have this easy basket to put in to keep the stuff dry that you want chilled but not soaked in the ice water. You take that basket out, like I said, it's nice and deep. You can see plenty of room in here for your, in our case, we take a lot of bottled water, sparkling water, cans of pop, lunch meat, stuff like that. And the lunch meat, again, would be nice to put in this rack because as your ice melts in the bottom on the boat, that lunch meat, the bags of lunch meat aren't getting all saturated in the water and potentially full of water. So I really do like the design. The size of it is 14 quarts or 13 liters. It says 36 hours of extreme ice retention. Now this is a brand new cooler. I've never used this one, but I do like what I see in my unboxing here. I like I said, these latches are easy to use, and it just looks like the perfect size cooler. If I were going out in the Mini X for a day away from home and wanted to pack a lunch, this would easily fit with me in the Mini X and have my sandwiches, a day's worth of waters, and some ice to keep everything cool. So this is, I'd say, that nice size where, yeah, it's a really big lunch box, but maybe you want to take waters for throughout the day plus your lunch, and this is the perfect size for that. It does have cup holders up here on the top. Nothing special about the back. The bottom has feet but no rubber grommets, so it does slide around. Our YETI has rubber feet. I do like that about the YETI, that it doesn't slide around as easily as this one does. But I like the size of this, and even loaded down with ice and waters, this is going to be a lot lighter to carry than our YETI 24. So I think this is a pretty cool product. Just wanted to give you a brief overview of it, my first impressions on it. The Pelican 14. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative and entertaining, please give us a thumbs up down below. Leave a comment if you have the Pelican 14 or if you're considering this, some of the reasons why. I think it's got a lot of benefits in a 14 quart cooler that I said a large lunchbox or for a day out on the boat, this is just about the perfect size. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you again the next time.